Hello everyone, today I have some custom clone troopers made out of some Sharpie and some other pieces. And so we have some clones you do know of and some you don't know of. Now, two of these are from people that make this video called Base 327. Two of these clones are from it. This one, his name is Rico, he's in it. And this is Fox. I think you all know Fox, and he's in it. So check them out. Brick Ultra, Taylor Place Productions. They make really good videos. So let's get moving. First up, we have Captain Rex. Captain Rex was just used with a dirty clone body, some Sharpie, 2 guns, a helmet, some night vision goggles, a Kylo Ren cape, and some legs. And he has one of these helmets, or one of these faces. And this is just a clone trooper helmet. So that's Rex. Next, we have Fox. Fox is a pretty sour clone. He can be pretty mean, but he's pretty cool. He has 2 guns, Sharpied arms, Sharpie body, Sharpied helmet, and the legs have some detail. Now he has one of these faces. So yeah. Just had to see that. Here's one of those faces. It's pretty original. And that's Fox. Next up, we have Cody. 2 bigger guns. Sharpie body. Sharpie helmet. And that's mostly all. He has the same, or I think the same as Fox. Next, this is a custom clone. This is Captain Red. And he has a Sharpie body, helmet, and legs. He has a face with some scars. So just an original face, and we put some details on for scars. And he's a pretty cool clone, so I like him. Next we have Rico. A really dumb clone in Base 327, but he's really funny. So I actually have his body. I just couldn't find it, so I had to make one. So here's Rico's helmet. This is actually a face from a rebel snow trooper, and I couldn't find a black head, so I just put that on because it needs to have some black in there. And he just Sharpied with the sniper, and there's just back here just 2 colored packs. Now, the 3 special characters. First, Commander Blue. He has a Tommy gun, a fully custom helmet, a dirty suit with a little bullet holder, and some Sharpie on there. He has one of those pieces that go on the side, but I put it down here so it would be more interesting. And I think it works fine. This is from one of the clones in Kylo Ren's ship. And I got it off him, and I put it on him, on Blue. And Blue is one of my favorite clones. I really like him. Next, Captain Wolf. Captain Wolf is a real clone. He is a very rare clone in Lego, so we just decided to custom him. He has some Sharpie on the front. This, you can get minifigures and you don't know who they are. This is from a witch. And so we just got here because he's purple. Well, he's kind of a bluish, but we thought he was purple at first. And he's just got a small little gun. And he's got some little details on his legs. And his back has some details. Last but not least, one of my friends made this for me. Or for me and my cameraman, of course. And it's just a clone face. Or not a clone face, but just a face. It's a stormtrooper helmet with some details. We call him Squeaky. And he's kind of like a rainbow clone. And we just decided to use him because that's the right thing to do. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed our video on these custom clones. Let's try to get to 100 likes. Just let me put them all back. Just gonna put them back. Let's try to get to 100 likes. And Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.